Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to download and install Inkscape for Windows 10. As you can see, I am in the middle of creating the post with this stuff and I decided to record a video with this. So first step, we click on Start, second mouse click on this PC, click on Properties, and we see system type 64-bit operating system. So we go to Inkscape org. It is Inkscape original website. We click on download, we click on current version. Our operating system is Windows. And we checked our architecture, and in my case it is 64-bit. If you have 32-bit, you click on this icon. Click on this, and we are interested in exe installer, so we click on this. It should, yeah, exactly. Click save. I made a screenshot for the tutorial. My internet is kind of slow. Yeah. We have it. Double click yes. Our language is English. Next. We want all the default option. You can pick any other location if you want. I like the default. Yeah, right now Inkscape unpack all their DLLs and other stuff. Yep. After we click this, Inkscape will be opened. Yep, that's it. This is our instance. We can check if everything is okay. Yep. So thanks for watching.